Hello everyone, my name is Benjamin Wenzel. I'm currently enrolled in the computer programming course at Confederation College. And before coming to this program, I had no prior experience coding or even with computers in general. I was pretty much a beginner. But even though I'm only in my first year still, in my second semester, I've already learned how to make websites, basic HTML websites. I've learned the fun side of coding, getting to work with making some basic applications, some text-based games. And it's been pretty amazing working with my program coordinator, Daniel. He's been really great in instructing us and making the experience fun. And overall, I would just say that I've learned so much in the first 5 months that I've been learning. And I'm looking forward to everything that the future holds.